Zoom is a cloud-based HD video conferencing platform which allows virtual meeting to be conducted in real time via webcam and audio. Zoom allows both host and participant to share multiple types of documents among them. Also, Zoom automatically record and save the session for future reference. Here is a some overview of Zoom and how to operate it on Android phone. Let's go through. To install the app, click on Google Play Store from your phone. Search for Zoom Cloud Meeting. The app has video icon inside light blue rounded box. Click Install and wait for installation to complete. Once the installation finishes, click Open and wait for Zoom to load. If you have already signed up earlier, click on Sign In to create a new meeting. Otherwise, click on Sign Up to begin a new process. The sign-up process requires a valid address which the activation link will be sent. Follow all procedures such as date of birth, first and last name. A link will be sent to a specified email. Open the email and click on Activate Account. It will take you through a browser where you can complete the sign-up process. Select No for the question, "Are you signing on behalf of the school?" and click Continue. Complete the sign-up process, such as name and password, and click Continue. Here you can put an email address of other members, or just click on Skip this step. Now, you can close the browser and go to Zoom app that have already installed on the phone. Click on Sign In and input your email and password to load. For quick meeting, click a new meeting, toggle on video on, and use personal meeting ID on or off, and click the Start a new meeting. The app will start connecting for some time. After connecting, you can click three dots on lower right to invite other participants, either through email or SMS. Each participant must have Zoom app installed in his phone or in computer, but not necessary to sign off. Only host must sign off before creating a new meeting. That is overview about Zoom app. Thank you.